Hello, my money makers. These two YouTube channels are quietly making around 20,000 US dollars every single month. And I am not capping. They don't get to show their face. They do simple English videos with calm and repetitive structure. So guess what? I copied them. Yes, I copied them. I'm not guessing. I'm not speculating. You guys, I put both channels into Social Blade and I took my time and studied what they are doing exactly. One is Mr. English channel and the other is Ima Daily English. In this video, I'm going to do 3 things. Number 1, I'm going to show you the exact content structure these channels use, what kind of videos they post, and how they repeat them. Number 2, I'm going to show you how they create these videos using free AI tools, including how they structure their scripts with ChatGPT and why they don't rely on only one voice. Number 3, I'm going to show you how you can recreate this type of content step by step. Even if you are a beginner, that doesn't matter. Whether you are a stay-at-home mom, a stay-at-home father, just know that this video is for you. And if you are also a 9-to-5 or a working parent, this particular content style is also for you. No face, no filming gadgets, no filming yourself, just a clear system. So let's start with the first channel, which is Mr. English channel. This channel focuses on simple English conversations and listening practice. And guess what? They do it in form of podcast. This is what I will tell you for free. Every video follows the same pattern: a clear topic, a simple dialogue, a calm delivery, and repetition. Now compare it with Emma Daily English. Different branding, but the structure is almost identical. What's the structure? They use calm voice. They talk about stories. Now let me show you the 2 videos.
Snacks?
Check.
Chargers?
Double check.
Perfect. We're ready.
Great, Paul. I'm so happy for our new episode. And you?
I'm fantastic. I am always excited to help people learn English. It's so much fun.
Guess what? That's not a coincidence. These channels are not trying to be everyday creative or to be creative every day. They have chosen a format and they repeat it. That's all. They do more of English listening stories, short conversations, simple daily situations, or lifestyles. This makes their content predictable, and predictability keeps the audience watching. And yes, if you are seeing my face for the first time, I'm a digital entrepreneur showing you exactly how to make money with AI. All right. So why not go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on your notification button. All right. You guys, this 2026, I am becoming more serious in pushing out value here on YouTube. Techmom is ready. Now go to ChatGPT, just write this. Write a long English listening dialogue between 2 people using simple everyday language. And that's it. Hit generate. Now, this is exactly what Mr. English channel does in his channel. A podcast interview or discussions. Yeah. So as soon as you are done, you head over to getting their voices. And if you want to go with the content structure of Ima Daily English, there is a way you have to come up with your script. Your script have to be a storytelling. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and convert this to video. This is for Mr. English channel. For the voice, we are going to head over to Google AI Studio. Now this is why we are using Google AI Studio. Google has individual and double voices. You could generate up to 3 voices using Google AI Studio at once. Click on Get Started. Click on Turn Text into Audio with Gemini. Now, this is what I was trying to explain. You see single speaker audio. You see multi-speaker audio. So we are going to click on multi-speaker audio. Okay, I'm going to drop what I want the speaker 1 to say. So I've pasted it because I copied it. You can add more dialogue here, and that's fine. So I'm going to go back to ChatGPT again and copy Mark's sentence, drop it here, Ctrl V. You can go ahead and generate here, but if you want, you can add more dialogue. What speaker 1 says again, that's how you keep adding it. And if you want to delete anyone, once you hover around anyone here, you see delete icon, you can go ahead and delete. So I'm going to go ahead and click on run, but before that, I want to choose the voices, how the voice should appear. As you can see, Anna is a lady while Mark. So I'm going to choose 2 voices, female and male voice. So speaker 1, I'm choosing the voice. Speaker 1 is Anna, right? Yes. So I need to confirm.
What do you want to explore?
Got a project in mind?
So I'm looking for a female voice that can match the Anna tone.
Aiming for.
Okay, I'm going with this, and it is very energetic as well as to say it is podcast video. Yeah. So I'm going to go to this speaker 2 and choose speaker 2 voice, and that's pretty fine. So once you are done, you go ahead and hit on run. Our voiceover will start generating. In a couple of few seconds, you'll see our voiceover ready, and this is perfect. Let me allow you to listen to it.
Today.
Hi, Anna. Yeah, I am really tired.
Why? Did you sleep late last night?
Yes, I did. I went to bed after midnight.
Now, do you see what I did here? I chose a voice that is slow. When you are teaching people English, you need to be very calm and very slow. You guys, we are heading over to creating our images, and from our images, we will animate it, and that's pretty fine. So let's head over to ChatGPT. If you are not using the paid version of ChatGPT, I did advise you to get it. It is not even costly, all right, because it helps you to maintain consistency in your character. What do I mean by consistency? Anna should not look like, or maybe Anna should not be dark in the first scene, and maybe in the second scene, Anna becomes fair. That is not okay when you are telling a story. It is very wrong. Another free AI tool that can also do this without you paying is Meta AI. The next thing is to get our image prompt, and getting it will now generate our images. Now, this is the prompt that you use to get your image prompt. And if you want to get this prompt, you can join my Telegram channel or you join my WhatsApp channel. Now, when you watch the Mr. English channel, you will notice that Mr. English channel uses only one image throughout his video while using 2 voices like a podcast, right? But I did advise you change image. If I am to create such videos, I did be adding maybe up to 3 to 4 images in each scene to make the video more captivating. When you look at Emma's Daily English, you will notice that she animates her videos with different scenes, not just one, and it makes it so engaging. All right, yeah, so you can choose anyone that works for you. Give me a well-detailed image prompts for each scenes and make the characters consistent. That's it. You hit generate. I'm giving you the idea of Emma Daily English channel, what she does, and listen, she uses 3D animation. Now, if you decide to choose the type of content that Mr. English channel does, I'm going to give you the prompt. When you want to work on your own, you can twist few things. As you can see, our English podcast video talks about Anna and Mark discussing about their morning routines, right? So I'm going to make the headline of the video to be, let's talk about our morning routines. When you look critically at Mr. English channel, this is exactly what he does, all right? So I'm going to hit generate. I want to generate the image with ChatGPT. Now here is it, very, very beautiful. You can just go ahead and download it if you are using one image, all right, as Mr. English channel does. I don't want to confuse you. Now I'm done showing you the Mr. English channel image, how he generates his image or how he come about his image. I mean, that's one image throughout the whole video. So I'm going to talk about Emma's Daily English, all right? So with this prompt, I'm going to copy it and tell ChatGPT to write it in 3D form or in 3D animation. This is what I should have told ChatGPT earlier enough, but that's fine. We are not making any mistake. I'm going to paste this and tell ChatGPT to give me the 3D animation version of these prompts. Here is our prompt converted to 3D animation. So the next thing is I'm going to copy this and generate the images. There is another way to do this. You can use Animation Script Builder on ChatGPT here. You can see it is one of the GPTs. You can have access to it here. All right, so I'm going to copy it and generate it with ChatGPT. I'm gonna paste this here and tell ChatGPT to generate it. And here is it. Very, very beautiful. So go ahead and download it. Now for you to convert it to video, you can use either Grok, Meta AI, Clean AI, Hello AI, but the free one here is Meta AI and Grok AI. Okay, now this is Grok AI. Just go to Imagine. You can see it here. Now bring your image, upload. Be very creative. Once you want to generate your video, please go back to your script, copy your script. All right, go back to ChatGPT or anywhere you dropped your script. Go back to that place, copy their conversation, come and paste it here. Grok is going to assign each person here to say exactly what they're supposed to say, exactly what is in your script. All right, now hit generate.
Hi, Mark.
Yeah, I am.
Now here is it. You can see that Grok actually did it best. Okay, you notice that this script is too long, so I'm gonna cut the parts it couldn't say. And you are editing them, that is when it also requires your creativity. Please don't get confused. This is for Emma Daily English. All right, now for Mr. English channels, you don't need to do all these animations. All right, only generate the image, take the voice that you generated with Google AI Studio, go to CapCut and sync the voice with the image. That's all. Not even syncing, edit it with the image. That's all for Mr. English channel. But for Emma Daily English, you need to come up with editing it, coming up with animations and all that. Now when you go to your CapCut, do your margins, do what we call the auto captions, overlay text, add effect. You can even color grade your videos. And if you want me to show you how you can properly edit this Emma's Daily English channel, how you can properly edit it, drop it in the comment section and I'll be willing to show you that. Okay,